Welcome back to Kids Learning Express. Today we will see maths, okay, class 6. In this chapter, we will see whole number chapter 2. Already chapter 1 we have discussed in another video that go and see in our channel. Okay children, whole number we will see today. Okay, before starting this, I will discuss few points. Okay, you can remember this. Okay, first one, the number 1, 2, 3 which we use for counting are known as natural numbers. Number 2, if we add 1 to a natural number, we get its successor. If we subtract 1 from a natural number, you will get a predecessor. Number 3, every natural number has a successor. Every natural number except 1 has a predecessor. 4, every whole number has a successor. Every whole number except 0 has a predecessor. Number 5, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. Number 6, addition corresponds to moving to the right on the number line, whereas subtraction corresponds to moving to the left. Multiplication corresponds to making jumps of equal distance starting from 0. So these points you must remember to learn all those sums. Okay children, tomorrow we will see this exercise 2.1 lesson. Okay children, only few points, 6 points is there. You can remember this. So tomorrow we will take another class. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay children, if you have any doubt in this, you can comment me. I will text you. Okay children, bye.